Chapter 10 AI for SDGs.
Sustainable Development Goals. AI goals include learning, reasoning, and creating awareness. AI is being used by many industries, which also includes finance and healthcare. This way, AI can be connected in a wide range of economic sectors and manage environmental impacts and climate change. It can help in improving productivity, which in turn may help in reaching the goal of ending poverty. Sustainable Development Goals. The Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, are also known as global goals. They were adopted by all United Nations member states in 2015 to set a goal to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure that all people enjoy prosperity and peace by 2030. Let's now understand them individually and how AI can help to bring the change and achieve these goals by 2030. No poverty. Eradicating extreme poverty and reducing poverty at least by 50% is the target to achieve. Worldwide, approximately 17.2% people are struggling to fulfill the most basic needs like health, education, and access to clean water and sanitation. AI can help in improving the farming land, agriculture, quality of products, etc. AI can also help with aid distribution in poor and war-torn areas, or where natural disasters have caused heavy destruction. 2. Zero hunger. SDG 2 aims to end hunger issues by 2030 and ensure access to nutritious food for all children. AI can help in reaching out the goal by tracking food wastage, finding ways to grow yields, identifying diseases and pest outbreaks, analyzing means to reduce population, etc. 3. Good health and well-being. This goal focuses on the well-being and good health for all. It aims to end epidemics like cholera, tuberculosis, malaria, and other communicable diseases. AI can help in achieving this goal by increasing the ability of healthcare professionals to analyze huge data sets, providing better feedback, and finding accurately the cause of diseases to discover the cure. Wearable healthcare technology also uses AI to serve the patients and healthcare workers. 4. Quality education. Education is one of the most basic public services. It enables people to develop all of their attributes and skills to achieve their potential as human beings and members of the society. Quality education provides the foundation for equity in society and helps to reach gender equality. AI in education can be used to achieve quality education goals by developing smart content, providing personalized guidance, round-the-clock assistance, virtual learning environment, and creating more secured online exams. 5. Gender equality. For sustainable development, it's necessary that we end all forms of discrimination against women. This is a basic human right. We need to provide equal access to resources, opportunities, power, and property to women in the world. AI-powered apps can be used by employers to use gender-sensitive language for their recruitment drive. AI can analyze huge amount of data to find the area where more gender-specific issues exist. 6. Clean water and sanitation. The aim of this goal is to provide clean water by reducing pollution, eliminating dumping and minimizing release of harmful chemicals by 2030. It also aims to educate people for good hygiene habits and improve sanitation facilities. AI can influence machine learning to analyze wastewater treatment plants' data and provide predictive recommendations so that plants can meet clean water and sanitation objectives at the best operating costs. 7. Affordable and clean energy. SDG 7 aims to provide clean energy by 2030 by the means of effectively implementing renewable energy solutions that are cheaper, more reliable, and efficient. The AI-powered systems will be able to analyze the huge data related to energy collections and provide a vision on energy consumption. This will result in expanding the market and reducing the energy management cost. 8. Decent work and economic growth. SDG 8 aims to lessen the youth unemployment. It targets to provide opportunities for all to get work with fair income, security in the workplace, and social protection for families. AI can be used to analyze the large amount of data to improve the decision-making process, which will result in improved products, markets, and industries, thereby improving the economic growth. 9. Industry, innovation, and infrastructure. These are vital forces in the economic growth and development of any country. The SDG promotes sustainable industries, investment in scientific research and innovation which will lead to sustainable development. AI can work as a catalyst in achieving this agenda. 10. Reduced inequalities. It aims to ensure equal opportunities and end discrimination by eliminating discriminatory laws, policies, and practices. AI may help in improving industrial growth, thereby improving the global financial market and institutions. 11. Sustainable cities and communities. SDG 11 aims to provide safe and affordable housing facilities to all. It also advocates green and culturally inspiring conditions for all. Technologies like AI in smart cities help the cities to utilize current assets more effectively, allot resources more efficiently, and understand how data can be shared and managed across the whole system. 12. Responsible consumption and production. The aims to use products and services in a manner that is socially beneficial, economically feasible, and environment-friendly during their whole life cycle. AI can help in eliminating waste, improving farming techniques, and using resources efficiently, which in turn will improve the responsible consumption and production. 13. Climate action. The goal is to reduce global warming, address climate-related hazards in all countries, take up policies nationally, and build knowledge and capacities to meet climate change. AI for climate action has the potential to reduce global greenhouse gas emissions by up to 4%. Using AI and data from NASA, researchers are able to identify patterns and monitor changes of land surfaces such as decreasing sea area, ice cap surfaces, etc. This would help in determining future risks. AI can also be used to monitor pollution. 14. Life below water. We all know that healthy oceans support climate change mitigation and adaptation efforts. SDG targets to prevent and reduce marine pollution, protect marine and coastal ecosystems, regulate harvesting, and end destructive fishing practices, etc. Our oceans are vast and cover more than 70% of the Earth's surface. This makes tracking and measuring life underwater a massive task. Satellite imagery and analysis of boats' movements with a specially designed form of machine learning makes it possible to determine the area of illegal fishing or seafaring vessels. 15. Life on land. The SDG aims at protecting, restoring, and promoting the sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystems, managing forests, fighting deforestation, reversing land degradation, and stopping biodiversity loss. In future, AI methods may be used to create a digital dashboard for the planet, to help us monitor, model, foresee, and manage environmental systems at a global scale. 16. Peace, justice, and strong institutions. This SDG aims to guarantee justice and freedom for all people by 2030. The target is to significantly reduce all forms of violence with communities and governments to end conflict and insecurity. 17. Partnerships for the goals. To be successful in achieving the goals as large as SDGs, it is very much required to have partnerships between the stakeholders like government, private sector, and civil society. The sharing has to be of knowledge, expertise, technology, and financial resources to support and achieve the sustainable development goals in all the countries. AI can be a vital tool for the global community to achieve the targets of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Asia and the Middle East have already instigated to focus on AI as a part of their development strategy and economic growth. AI can be a vital tool for the global community to achieve the targets of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Asia and the Middle East have already instigated to focus on AI as a part of their development strategy and economic growth.
Let's back up. The Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, are also known as global goals. AI goals include learning, reasoning, and creating awareness. The idea of SDG came from the Rio Plus 20 summit in the year 2012. This is being considered as the largest summit in the UN history. Technologies embedded with AI can play a vital role in the implementation and achieving the targets of SDGs. AI can help in improving the farming land, agriculture, quality of products, etc. AI may help in improving industrial growth, thereby improving global financial market and institutions.
Factopedia.
Idea of Sustainable Development Goal came from the Rio Plus 20 summit held in 2012. More than 4 billion people still do not have access to the internet, and 90% are from the developing part of the world. For paper used for newspapers, it takes around 12 trees to create 1 ton of newspaper.